How to use Helpwire free remote access software for Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's be real, most remote access softwares today are either too complicated, too expensive, or both. You install it, deal with IDs, passwords, firewalls, and by the time you're ready to connect, the problem you were trying to fix has already become much worse. Now that's exactly why tools like TeamViewer started losing people. Too many limitations, too many interruptions, and way too much friction. Now, here is where things are going to get interesting. Helpwire is a completely free remote desktop tool that removes almost all of that friction. No complicated setups, no passwords to share, no network configuration headaches. It's designed to get you connected in the matter of seconds, and actually, it lets you focus on solving the actual problem. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through everything from setting up to remote control to advanced features like unattended access so you can use Helpwire like an absolute pro. So before jumping into it, you need to understand what makes Helpwire different from others. Now, unlike traditional remote desktop tools, Helpwire is actually built around simplicity and speed. So instead of exchanging IDs and password, it uses a link-based connection system. Now, you send someone a link, they're going to open it, and you're connected. No accounts required on the client side, no configuration needed, and no firewall adjustments. Now, that alone is going to remove 80% of the friction that almost most people struggle with. It's also completely free, which makes it one of the most underrated tools right now, especially for you freelancers, IT support, or even friends and family fix issues out there. Now, to get started, it's surprisingly straightforward. Simply go over here on helpwire.app and hit Join Now Full Access. So here, it's going to ask you to sign up. No trials, no limits, no credit cards are going to be needed. I'm simply going to go ahead and log in with my Gmail. And once we do that, we're going to hit on continue. It's pretty straightforward, but there is a right way to do it if you want a smooth workflow, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and skip all these nitty-gritty details. It's going to ask you to download the Operator app. Of course, we're going to download that later on. First, you're going to want to make sure to create an account on the platform. So once you're inside, you're going to see a clean interface where you can add new clients, okay? Now, when you do this, Helpwire is going to generate a unique connection link right here. Pretty incredible, right? So you're going to want to send it to the person you want to connect to. They're going to open it, download a small client app, run it, and that is it. You can now initiate the sessions. In TeamViewer, both sides needed to have TeamViewer to actually work with it. In this case, you can now initiate the session instantly without anything needed. No passwords, no IDs, no confusion. This quick connect system is one of the biggest reasons Helpwire actually feels faster than traditional tools. So, once the client is going to run the app, you can connect immediately. When the session starts, you get full access to their desktop. You can move the mouse, open their files, install software, and troubleshoot issues as if you were sitting right in front of their computer. Now, what makes this so smooth is how optimized the actual connection is. Helpwire automatically adjusts connections, quality, and routing to give you the best performance possible. Now, you're not dealing with laggy screens or broken sessions. It's designed to be responsive and stable. This is especially useful if you're doing real-time troubleshooting or guiding someone step by step. Now, the core features that you need to know is that you can actually do a lot of things once you're connected. Helpwire comes with all of the essential remote control tools built in it. You can actually go ahead and transfer different files through it, okay, by dropping them into the session. No need for cloud storage or USB drivers. Now, if the user has multiple monitors, you can actually switch between the screens of that or view them side by side if you want to. Those are all the efficiencies that it actually provides you. Moving on, of course, for each client, there's different works as well. And obviously, when a client is going to accept your app link from there on out, you can actually work with it pretty incredibly. You also get admin level control, which means you can install softwares, make system changes, and perform deeper troubleshooting without limitations. All of this can happen inside a clean, minimal interface that doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary options and decisions. All right. Now, all of this is going to happen inside a clean, minimal interface. And obviously, that is an interface that doesn't overwhelm you with a lot of unnecessary options. Now, the place where Helpwire becomes seriously powerful is unattended access, which means you can connect to a computer even when no one is there. So once it's set up, you don't need approval every time. So if I've sent this link and a client is going to accept it, that is the only time I need that client to accept it. I can log back in anytime, access the files, run updates, or fix issues anytime I want. Think about how useful that is. You can access your home PC from anywhere in the world, manage a server remotely, or support clients without scheduling a session. Setting this up is quite simple. You send the connection link, the client enables unattended access once, and from then on, you have persistent access. So this basically turns Helpwire from a simple support tool into a full remote management system. So if you are using Helpwire professionally, this is where things are going to scale. So the platform or the general, work with it actually allows you to create groups of those clients. And in this specific group, you can add more clients in one space. Okay. Now that's going to allow you to manage multiple clients from a single dashboard. Each client can have multiple devices and you can switch between sessions easily and simply. You can even run simultaneous sessions and jump between them without disconnecting. Now, this makes it quite ideal for IT support teams out there, freelancers, or anyone managing multiple systems all at once. Instead of juggling your tools, everything is centralized in one place. So whenever you're dealing with remote access, security is going to be a big concern. Helpwire uses encrypted connections to ensure that all data transmitted between devices are secure. It also requires user permission for initial access, which actually prevents unauthorized connections. And importantly, access can be revoked at any time, giving full control back to the user. So while it is simple to use, it does not compromise on security, which is exactly what you want in a remote access tool. Now, let's make this practical. If you are a freelancer, you can use Helpwire to provide remote tech support without visiting clients physically. If you're a student or content creator, you can access your main PC from anywhere and continue working. If you're just helping family members go ahead and fix their computers, this tool saves you hours of explaining things over the phone. And instead of saying, click here, no, not there, you just take control and fix it yourself in minutes. The reason tools like Helpwire are gaining attention is simple. They remove friction, no setup headaches, no hidden costs, no unnecessary complexity, just fast, reliable remote access that works. In a world where most software is getting more complicated, Helpwire is doing the opposite, and that's exactly why it's going to stand out. So if you actually go and need a lot of, remote access for yourself, then Helpwire is one of the best options for you right now. It covers all the essentials: remote control, file transfer, unattended access, without overwhelming you with a lot of features that you're never going to use. And more importantly, it actually respects your time. Set it up once, understand the workflow, and you've got a tool that can pretty much handle everything from quick fixes to full remote system management. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what other tools you want me to break down next. And I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.